Meet the Alloyman 1/2-inch cordless impact wrench, your new secret weapon. With 750 Newton-meters of torque, this bad boy takes some rusted bolts in tough tasks like a champ. Need speed? Just squeeze the trigger for up to 2000 RPM. Plus, the built-in LED light means you'll never have to work in the dark again. You're getting a 4.0 battery, fast charger, 6 sockets, and a carry case, everything you need to get the job done. From tire changes to heavy-duty projects, Alloyman makes work easier, work smarter, not harder.